the secret sauce behind BYD, the company outselling Tesla in volume. But before we talk about how this company is destroying Tesla, let us first know what this company is about. BYD has emerged as the world's largest manufacturer of electric vehicles, delivering 4.27 million vehicles in 2024 and surpassing Tesla in production volume through a business model built on vertical integration and cost efficiency. The company operates from Shenzhen, China, where founder Wang Chuanfu established it in 1995. Wang, a former academic who continues to lead the organization, selected the name BYD deliberately, choosing letters that held no particular meaning to distinguish his startup from competitors in the market. Currently, it stands for Build Your Dreams. The company's rise was significantly bolstered by Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway, which invested $232 million in BYD through Mid-American Energy in 2008, providing crucial credibility and capital during the early electric vehicle transition. The company manufactures electric cars and exports buses, taxis, and commercial vehicles across the Middle East, South America, Europe, and Southeast Asia. Unlike Tesla, BYD produces plug-in hybrid vehicles alongside fully electric models, addressing range anxiety concerns while building charging infrastructure partnerships across key markets. Thailand and Israel represent the company's two largest international markets, where BYD leads electric vehicle sales. The Chin and Song models constitute the best-selling passenger vehicles in the lineup, while the flagship BYD Han sedan and BYD Seal Performance model compete directly with Tesla's Model S and Model 3 respectively. The Chin operates as a compact sedan available in both fully electric and plug-in hybrid configurations. The Song series consists of compact crossover SUVs designed for urban and suburban markets. BYD captured substantial market share by offering vehicles at prices well below Tesla's entry points, aided by Chinese NEV subsidies and government policies that incentivize domestic electric vehicle production. In China, the company's base model sells for slightly above $10,000, while Tesla's most affordable Model 3 variant exceeds $32,000. This pricing strategy allowed BYD to attract customers across broader economic segments, while establishing comprehensive charging infrastructure through partnerships with state grid operators and private charging networks. During 2024, BYD delivered over 4.27 million new energy vehicles, cementing its position as the world's second-largest battery manufacturer behind CATL, which holds 37% market share compared to BYD's 17%. New energy vehicles encompass battery electric vehicles, plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, and fuel cell electric vehicles. These automobiles run on alternative energy sources rather than conventional internal combustion engines that burn fossil fuels. The classification aims to reduce emissions, improve fuel economy, and enable quieter vehicle operation. BYD achieved this growth through strategic vertical integration, combined with rising market demand and favorable government regulations supporting the transition away from internal combustion engines. The company controls nearly every component of its value chain, from raw material extraction and battery manufacturing through software development and final vehicle assembly. BYD begins its production process with the extraction of essential raw materials required for electric vehicle batteries, including lithium, cobalt, and nickel. Most automakers rely on external suppliers or participate in global commodities markets. BYD adopted a direct procurement approach instead. The company established long-term partnerships and purchased equity stakes in mining operations to guarantee consistent supplies of lithium and other critical materials. In 2022, BYD partnered with Chilean lithium producer SQM. The company also secured agreements in Africa for access to manganese and cobalt deposits. These strategic moves insulate BYD from supply chain volatility that has disrupted the automotive industry and enable the company to maintain stable pricing and consistent material availability. Raw materials require refinement into compounds suitable for battery production after extraction. BYD invested heavily in refining capacity through its subsidiary FinDreams, which operates multiple facilities dedicated to converting lithium into lithium carbonate and lithium iron phosphate. Lithium iron phosphate forms the foundation of the company's blade battery technology. BYD and Huayu Cobalt established a joint venture in 2023 to build additional refining capacity in China, increasing upstream control and advancing sustainability objectives. Owning refining facilities allows BYD to ensure quality standards, reduce dependence on third-party processors, and respond rapidly to demand fluctuations. The Blade battery represents one of BYD's most significant innovations, with the latest Blade battery 2.0 achieving 190 to 210 watt-hours per kilogram energy density and supporting 8C supercharging capabilities for rapid charging. This lithium iron phosphate-based battery offers a more economical, durable, and safer alternative to conventional lithium-ion batteries. FinDreams Battery manufactures all these components internally, while BYD has implemented battery recycling programs to capture valuable materials and support circular economy principles, recovering over 95% of lithium, cobalt, and nickel from end-of-life batteries. The benefits prove substantial. BYD eliminates reliance on major battery suppliers like CATL, while competing directly with them in the broader battery market. The company can iterate faster, adjusting battery formats and chemical compositions to meet different vehicle requirements. Internal production reduces manufacturing costs considerably. The Blade battery resists thermal runaway, addressing a critical safety concern for electric vehicle owners and regulatory agencies. Semiconductor shortages have created bottlenecks for many automakers. BYD prepared for this challenge years in advance. The company founded BYD Semiconductor in 2004, initially focusing on integrated circuits for power electronics. The division has grown into a vital element of corporate strategy. BYD Semiconductor produces chips for motor controllers, battery management systems, and smart cockpit features. Most automakers purchase electric motors and transmissions from specialized suppliers or outsource production entirely. BYD follows a different path. FinDreams Powertrain, another BYD subsidiary, manufactures complete electric drive systems and high-efficiency permanent magnet motors. This approach enables tight integration of mechanical components, power electronics, and battery systems, optimizing responsiveness and vehicle range. Vertical integration in the drivetrain reduces supply delays, accelerates manufacturing cycles, and enhances performance, giving BYD advantages in vehicle handling and efficiency. BYD's ownership of a substantial portion of the supply chain enables vehicle production at large scale with exceptional efficiency. The company operates multiple mega factories throughout China, including facilities in Shenzhen, Changsha, and Xi'an. These locations assemble various automotive components, from seats to batteries, within single complexes. BYD develops its own vehicle software, diverging from legacy manufacturers that frequently depend on suppliers like Bosch or Continental. Internal teams manage everything from infotainment and battery management software to driver assistance systems, enabling over-the-air updates that continuously improve vehicle performance and add new features. This integration facilitates faster deployment of new features, more responsive user interfaces, and smoother software updates. Close collaboration between hardware and software teams reduces system defects and prevents misalignment. In the electric vehicle era, the automobile functions as a computer on wheels. BYD's control over the entire technology stack provides a significant competitive advantage. The company produces multiple vehicle models that compete directly with Tesla in global markets. The BYD Atto 8 Performance operates as a super hybrid combining advanced technology with performance comfort. The BYD Ceylon 7 Performance delivers luxury electric SUV capabilities with cutting-edge technology and premium comfort features. The BYD Song Premium functions as a hybrid SUV merging power with efficiency. The BYD Shark 6 Premium runs as a plug-in hybrid incorporating advanced DMO technology and premium comfort elements. The BYD Han Platinum serves as an electric sedan designed to redefine elegance in its segment, directly challenging Tesla's Model S with comparable range and performance. The BYD Kin design operates as a powerful super hybrid electric sedan fueled by an 11.75 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery for environmentally conscious driving. BYD's subsidiary Yangwang produces the U9 Extreme Hypercar, which established a new speed record for automobiles. On September 14, 2025, the vehicle reached 496.22 kilometers per hour, surpassing both the previous electric vehicle benchmark and the fastest petrol-powered model's top speed of 490.484 kilometers per hour to become the fastest car in the world across all categories. This engineering achievement combines extreme power and speed with zero emissions, setting a new standard for electric mobility. The BYD lineup includes numerous additional vehicles that would require extensive coverage to catalog completely. BYD developed its own logistics infrastructure to deliver vehicles to customers worldwide. The company completed a fleet of 8 vessels and achieved an annual transport capacity exceeding 1 million cars. The final car carrier to join the fleet, BYD Jinan, entered operation in late 2025. All car carriers operate as roll-on/roll-off ships designed to transport wheeled cargo. Vehicles roll on and off independently without requiring containers. BYD ships accommodate either 7,200 or 9,000 automobiles, depending on vessel specifications. BYD's vertical integration strategy extends beyond manufacturing into distribution and sales networks. The company established dealerships and service centers in key markets, ensuring customers receive support throughout vehicle ownership. This comprehensive approach to market presence reinforces brand loyalty and provides direct feedback channels for product improvement. The company's success stems from its ability to control costs while maintaining quality across the entire production chain. By managing raw material procurement, component manufacturing, vehicle assembly, and distribution logistics internally, BYD eliminates margins that would otherwise go to suppliers and intermediaries. These savings translate into competitive retail prices that expand market access. BYD's production volume growth reflects both manufacturing capacity expansion and market acceptance of its vehicles. The company invested in factory automation and workforce training to increase output while maintaining quality standards. Standardized components across vehicle models enable economies of scale in purchasing and manufacturing. The global electric vehicle market continues expanding as governments implement emissions regulations and consumers seek alternatives to fossil fuel-powered transportation. BYD positioned itself to capitalize on this transition by building capabilities across the full value chain before demand accelerated, while Chinese NEV policies provided crucial support through subsidies and production quotas that favored domestic manufacturers. This preparation allowed the company to scale production rapidly when market conditions favored electric vehicles. BYD's approach demonstrates how vertical integration can create competitive advantages in technology-intensive industries. By controlling critical components and processes, the company reduces vulnerability to supply chain disruptions, accelerates innovation cycles, and captures value at multiple points in the production chain. This model enabled BYD to challenge established automakers and achieve leadership in the electric vehicle market through superior cost structure and production efficiency. If you learned something from the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.